If your emails keep landing in the Gmail Promotions tab, and you're sick of wondering if your subscribers even see your message, this quick tutorial is going to show you exactly how to avoid the Promotions tab with better formatting. Stay with me because I'll walk you through the small formatting tweaks that make a huge difference. And at the end, I'll give you one key takeaway that changes everything. Now, I tested this using pretty much every major email platform out there, and the one we're using today had the cleanest results. I've added a special free trial link in the description for viewers of my channel, Dan Thorne, so you can try this software risk-free if you want to follow along. First off, what actually triggers the Promotions tab? It's a combination of things: HTML-heavy design, promotional language, links, and even your sender reputation. But let's focus on what you can control, your formatting. Start by ditching email templates that scream marketing. You want your emails to look like a plain personal message. That means no banners, no buttons, no flashy colors. Use one font, a single column layout, and avoid things like bolded headers, image blocks, or multiple links. Next, make sure your from name is just your real name, not your company name. Gmail is smart enough to associate brand names with marketing emails. And keep your subject line casual. Write like you would to a friend. Instead of special offer just for you, say quick idea for your team or something that doesn't feel salesy. In the email body, keep it simple. Use plain text formatting. 1 or 2 short paragraphs, maybe a sentence per line. Space it out for readability and avoid any bullet points or structured layouts that look templated. Links are another big trigger. If you must include one, make sure it's just one. And rather than linking to a sales page, link to a blog post, YouTube video, or something that feels value-driven. Bonus points if you don't hyperlink text. Just paste the full URL in plain form. Another thing, don't attach images unless absolutely necessary. Even a logo can push your email into promotions. The software we're using helps preview this before sending, so you know how Gmail is likely to treat your message. Once you format your email, send a test to a Gmail account you own. If it still lands in promotions, go back and reduce anything that looks automated or branded. You can also try replying to one of your earlier emails and see how that impacts placement. Here's the key takeaway. Gmail is judging the intent of your email based on how it looks and how it reads. If it feels like a personal message, even if it's going to a list, you're much more likely to land in the primary inbox. Quick recap. Use plain formatting, no templates or images, keep your from name personal. Write casual human subject lines, limit to one plain text link, send short, spaced out messages, test before you send to your list. If you want a tool that helps you implement this formatting and preview where your email lands before sending, make sure to check the exclusive free trial in the description. Only viewers of my channel, Dan Thorne, get access to it. That's it for this one. Now go clean up that formatting and keep your emails out of the Promotions tab.